Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change transmission fluid Hyundai Tucson 2016. Park level, set the brake, and gather a drain pan, new fluid, a funnel, and a socket set. Warm the transmission briefly, drain the pan, replace the filter and gasket, reinstall the pan, refill through the dipstick to the correct level, and test drive to check shifting and leaks. Wear gloves and eye protection, and dispose of used fluid responsibly at a recycling center. First, gather tools and parts to save time and avoid mistakes. Have the correct ATF type and about 8 to 10 quarts ready, plus a new pan gasket and filter. Use jack stands for safety, and wear gloves and eye protection. Lay down rags to catch spills, and keep a funnel handy for clean refilling. Keep the service manual nearby to confirm torque values and fluid level procedure before you begin. Take your time, and with the car secure, warm the transmission briefly so fluid flows easily. Loosen pan bolts gradually, then remove them and let the fluid drain into your pan. Inspect the pan and magnet for metal particles and clean as needed. Install the new filter and gasket, tighten the pan bolts in a crisscross pattern to the specified torque, then refill through the dipstick tube and verify the level per the service manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.